Alright, today we are going to be binding a yellow piece of carpet. Doing it by hand with no attachments. Kind of make it look like this one right here. And as you can see, this was done with a regular piece of vinyl. But for this one, we're going to be using regular vinyl carpet bonding. The way I like to do it, and yeah, I don't have no attachment. I've never used one. I was taught in a very small custom shop where they didn't use anything. He used the same exact foot for zippers, binding, and everything else. So first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get it lined up with my fingers right here, and I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna keep it all nice and straight. I'm gonna start right here. So I've got it pressed down, and one thing about it, you can't really be scared of the needle in your fingers. You just gotta put them right up close to it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna push, fold, and I'm gonna keep it pressed down just like that. I'm gonna put my stitch length on about 8.5. And then what I'm doing is I'm just slowly going down like this. And what I'm doing with my other finger is I'm trying to move the plush carpet out the way so I don't stitch it down inside of the thread. And when I get to this little corner right here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull this out. I'm just going to notch the back end a little bit so it don't fold up as much as it does normally. And then even right here, I'm going to come in, try to get away some of this fuzz. Awkward to do with my camera right there. And there you go. Should have done this beforehand, but trim off a whole lot of that fuzz right there. And then that way, when I get to this corner, I can press down. And just like with the bonding attachment, I'm assuming, I'm gonna keep the bonding straight kinda, and I'm gonna roll the carpet into the piece of binding like that. Now I'm gonna get around that corner. And see, this right here, I should have trimmed all that fuzz off the other side because it's just lining up a lot easier and it's making my job easier. Once you get the hang of it, you can just that's just it, man. It's like, say you're just doing 2 little floor mats for a custom job in a car. Sometimes, I don't know, I got one machine, it's a custom machine, I use it for everything, and I would rather just do this than to set the attachment. Now, if I had a ton of space and a lot of money, believe me, I'd have me a machine dedicated in the corner to do nothing but bonding. I'd have me a machine set up somewhere with a zipper foot on it, dedicated to nothing but zippers. But I'm telling you, I'd be the warehouse to be able to have all the shit that I want. And once you get around that curve, they always get a lot easier on your straightaways like this. Now, this ain't your normal automotive carpet. This is some actual commercial carpet with a real heavy glued backing on it, almost like grout backing. That's what it reminded me of, is grout in the kitchen, the bathroom. Fucking flakes off and shit. I hope you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and be able to get more videos in the future. Thank you.